otro lugar. Nunca pensé que me llegara a pasar. Yo solo sabía de buenos amores. A mí me enseñaron buenos valores. Vulnerable andaba buscando raíces. Lo que encontré fueron heridas, cicatrices. Creer en ti fue un gran error. Me endulzaste con tu teatro traidor.
All right, we made it to Puebla, and it was probably about a 3-hour drive, I think, from the place we were last, Teotihuacan. And here is the view out the window. Ignore the thunderstorm. That's what I'm doing because I hope it doesn't rain on us. So as far as I know, the plan is we're going to meet in about a half an hour in the lobby, and then we are going to do a little bit of an orientation tour, which walk around the neighborhood, see where the ATM is, where things like laundry, where money exchange places are, stuff like that. Normal stuff you need to know when you're traveling. And then after that, we are going to run to a luchadores match, which apparently only happens on Monday. So it just so happened that we were able to get here to watch that. And that's really not my thing. I really don't really care for that sort of stuff, wrestling and all that. But it's a Mexican culture thing. You gotta try it. And they've said it's actually a real blast. Hopefully that storm stays away for a little while here. The weather pattern recently has been that it clouds up most of the day. About 6, 7 o'clock it starts to want to rain, and it goes away by about 10.
Stand there for the sign.
Oh God, yeah. Okay, that was one of the more funny graffitis we've seen along the trip. So apparently those gringos are supposed to go home. But we're not gonna. We're checking this place out. We're spending money and enjoying ourselves because it's beautiful. So obviously we're in a very touristy area, but this is a lot more interesting than I was expecting. I don't know what I was really expecting. Well, I wasn't expecting this, even though there's a 96% chance of rain all the time right now. We just got a few sprinkles and that was it. Window gardens here are just a totally different thing. What's she buying?
Chiquillos, you're gonna try something very, very nice. Bueno, chicos, this is the parent market, and this one is the handcraft market, as you can see. And what you're gonna try, I told you that Puebla is very known for its sweets. Okay, this is like very traditional. This is tarts of Santa Clara. They're very, very nice. I hope that you like it. Chicos, pasen there like a. Gracias. Algo así. Así se acuerdan. ¿Tenés otra hija?
Mole poblano.
Everybody
very good.
try, chicos.
Very good.
Come.
This is the guy that brought him to us.
Está delicioso. Voy a pedir una cucharita.
So we are on our way to wrestling, but we decided to stop here and have a few beers, maybe some snacks. We don't have a lot of time. We do have time to get up here. There's always time to get up here. That guy was living life. Good Lord, I just realized I've been recording in the dark with an ND filter on. So you probably haven't seen a thing. So I'm going to say this I'm going to say this again. So we had a couple of beers, had some chips, some guacamole, and now we are headed to go see some wrestling. I don't know how far away it is, but I don't know, maybe 15-20 minute walk. Not too bad. And it's a beautiful night. The rain passed us by. So, wow. The lighting probably made me look like I was in Bauhaus or something. Okay, well, we're in, and this looks like it's going to be a zoo, an absolute show. So they're sorting out our seats, but nothing's even happening, and this place is absolutely on fire. These guys up there are just, they're trouble, you can tell. A few more beers and they're going to be off the rails. Alright, here we go. Ridiculous thing I've seen in a long time, but it's fun. People are seriously into this. So I had a really good time doing the whole wrestling thing, but can you hear that? This has been going on for like 5 minutes already. Can't tell where it's from, but I wish it would stop because it's like 11:30 in the night. Oh my God, it stopped. It stopped. All right, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Have a good one.